MDM e-commerce store. I want to do a quick sew off with this beautiful Brother 1241 so that the purchaser knows that this machine is functioning as it should. Just going to be doing a quick demo, so here we go. This machine has a new belt, and the belt that we installed is not the original belt. It's a threaded belt. And so what I like to do normally when I start any vintage machine is I just help it out. I just kind of use my hand to start the wheel because there is a little slack, but it's nothing that affects the functionality of the machine. It's just that the belt is not the exact fit of what was originally on the machine. So I just wanted to point that out. It's just something that I get used to doing anyway. It's not a big deal. But in case you notice it and you think that there's something wrong, there's nothing wrong with the belt or the machine itself. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show. I'll just give you a quick look on how the stitches look on both sides. It's a pretty sweet machine. Thank you for watching.